Hi, I wanted to quickly show you how to deal with the formatting in Wix and change formatting to your desired formatting. So I noticed that, yeah, up here we have these, and these are using the header 6, Helvetica Light, and then this is using the paragraph setting. Let's go down to this one. This is the one that you said you're trying to make consistent. So if I were to just click on this, highlight it, you can actually click anywhere in it and change it to heading 6. It changes that whole paragraph. So this is probably what you're writing into. To fix that, you need to have a hard return between the text that you want to change to a header and the text that you want to be part of the paragraph. So a hard return is basically just you can erase it and then hit return, just straight. A soft return is if you hit shift return. That'll keep everything in the same format. So in this case, because I deleted it up here, it went ahead and took that other theme, so I can change it back to paragraph 2. So same thing down here, we'll do the same thing. We'll come in here. Probably what is going on is this is all attached. It must have a soft return here. And again, a soft return is just if you hold down your shift button and hit return. You use that if you want to have a return without a gap sometimes, or if you want to retain the formatting from paragraph to paragraph. But in this case, we don't want that. So I'm going to delete this return and add 2 new returns in there. That way this one's separated. And now we can change it so that the formatting is consistent. So I could just go through all of these and do, this one's actually was already fine, so we'll leave that one. And then this one here, that's probably a soft return, so I'll get rid of that, put in 2 hard returns and change it to paragraph 6, or I'm sorry, header 6. And we can go through each one of these and do this. So let me know if you have any other questions, but this is just the way in HTML, it wants to pull the same styling if it's part of the same paragraph tag. So to get rid of that, you just hit 2 returns, and that will kind of separate this text from the paragraph text. And then also, just so you know, there's a few other tools. If you want to add space between people, you can use this drag tool, which kind of moves everything down below it in sync. It doesn't look like it's connected to this image, but we can do that here. Same thing here. If you wanted to make some more room for Stacy, you can just use that tool and then drag down this image and get everything looking good. So let's add a little space between hers, actually. Sometimes it moves everything down in sync, but sometimes it doesn't. It just depends on where elements are. But you can play around with it until you get it where you like it. So let me know if you have any other questions on this, but that should hopefully solve your issue of having that formatting not changing to what you want. You just want to get rid of those returns, and then soft returns, I should say. And again, a soft return is just simply if you hold your shift button down and hit return, then it kind of keeps it as all part of the same style group. If you hit just return on your keyboard straight, it will break those styles so that each paragraph or line can be styled separately. Let me know if you have any other questions.